Live bold at Lorimer Williamsburg Home, where student living meets NYC energy in the heart of Brooklyn. Take your pick from enchanting ensuites and charming non-ensuites, complete with a dreamy twin-sized bed for restful sleeps, so you wake up refreshed, and a dedicated study space for midnight cramming sessions. Breeze through laundry with the washer and dryer available. If you're craving some barbecue, don't fret, there is a BBQ grill available. Always have fresh, ironed clothes on standby with the iron and ironing board. When water, heating, electricity, and speedy Wi-Fi are included in your rent, there are no unexpected bills to worry about. Refuel between study sessions with the coffee maker, or take a break and relax in the private backyard with a seating area. With Pratt Institute and St Joseph's University just minutes away by car, your timely arrival to class is inevitable. With bus stops nearby, travelling would be a breeze. So don't let this golden opportunity slip away. Grab your spot at Lorimer Williamsburg Home Brooklyn now with amberstudent.com.